Hi everyone, and welcome to the lecture video for your Week 3 activity, the Mad Scientist Grant Proposal. In this activity, you're going to play the role of a grant supervisor reviewing applications for money to fund research projects. Now, a little background on what a grant supervisor does. A grant supervisor reads grant proposals from a researcher and takes in all of the information provided by the researcher and makes the decision on whether or not the university should fund their projects. Research funds are not automatically given to professors. When professors want to conduct a research project, they need to ask for money from the university. In order to obtain this money, they must put together an application, which includes a literature review to show expertise in the field, what kind of specific resources they'll need, and they need to explain what they are going to research, how they are going to research, and why they are researching this topic. So let's get into your role as grant supervisor. You have received applications from the following scientists. Now, if you do not know these scientists, Google their name and read a little bit about them. Dr. Emmett Brown. He wants to convert a DeLorean into a vehicle capable of achieving time travel when it is driven faster than 88 miles per hour. Dr. Henry Jekyll wants to create a formula that will augment all human capabilities. It will make you stronger, faster, smarter, etc. Dr. Victor Frankenstein claims to have a revolutionary process for reviving clinically dead individuals. Dr. Henry Hank Pym, using advanced particle physics, claims to be able to shrink a human being down to the size of an insect and then restore them to original size. And finally, Dr. Walter White claims to have perfected the process of synthesizing methamphetamines, creating the purest form of the drug known to the world. For this activity, pick one of the scientists and answer the following questions in Blackboard. Number 1. What kind of sources will this researcher need to have in a literature review in order to show expertise in their area? In other words, what does the mad scientist need to know in order to conduct their experiment? What areas do they need to research in academic journals to show proof that they know what they're doing? Number 2. What kind of resources will this researcher need in order to perform their research? Assistants, laboratory space, lab equipment, etc. Be specific and have fun with this one. Think about all the different things that are needed for the mad scientist to successfully perform their research. Think about who they may need help from, what type of equipment or subjects they may need. Remember, they are mad scientists, so they may need things that you would not normally be able to get from normal channels. Let's say they may need to shop at some shady places. And finally, number 3. What kind of potential problems, including ethical ones, should this researcher prepare for and discuss in their proposal? For this one, think about the ramifications that their experiments may have on society. Think physical issues as well as ethical and morality issues. Will it benefit or harm us? Maybe both. Who knows? All right, have fun with this activity. If you need any assistance, please email your professor.